These beautiful hands have somehow morphed into a grotesque, eerie shape. Smashes violently against the glass. It turns out she has been infected by an unknown fungus. The fungus is controlling her, forcing her back into human society. Once the timing is right, she will kill herself to release spores and infect the masses. When the virologist Anna returns to the lab, the place is a shambles. The woman is no longer recognizable as human, yet eerily she is still alive. The infection and the discovery. Anna quickly grabs her tools to take a sample. Suddenly, the horrific spore sac ruptures, and a blast of lethal gas strikes the Major right in the face. He doesn't even have time to react before the gas fills the entire room. Anna rushes in to find a gas mask, narrowly escaping the same fate. When Anna sees the Major again, a sense of foreboding washes over her. As expected, he is infected. During her research, Anna discovers the fungus's secret. It thrives on heat and fears the cold. Without the heat of a human body, a simple cold storage room could kill it. However, the general is obsessed only with completing the mission, bringing back the virus to create a weapon, showing zero regard for the fate of humanity. Powerless to resist his orders, Anna is forced to comply. With the Major acting as a living specimen, retrieving the virus isn't the problem. The problem is that he is a ticking time bomb, the descent into the black hole. Desperate to return to the surface, the group decides their only option is the tunnel. Little do they know it is a man-eating black hole, and advanced. Then, a second missing man appears, covered in wounds, dragging himself forward. His mangled, bare left hand is a testament to the brutality of the fight. Without a word, he pulls out a dagger and resolutely takes his own life. Whatever horrors he witnessed were enough to make death the only escape. The monster begins pounding on the door, its sheer ferocity shaking the iron frame. Realizing that path is blocked, the engineer volunteers to fix the elevator. However, it can only descend, not ascend. Meanwhile, the Major screams in agony. His time is running out. The remaining soldiers decide to stay behind to hold the line, choosing to face death alongside their commander. The group reaches a lower laboratory, but it is deserted. They find a recording left by the old station chief, pleading with whoever finds it never to let the fungus reach the surface, or humanity will face total extinction. He reveals that the freezing environment was his final gift to the world, a way to keep the fungus contained. It is here they discover the grim truth, a wall of human bodies, connected by fungal filaments, forming a massive frozen symbiotic entity. The monsters hunting them are likely offshoots of this organism. Betrayal and the final trap. Their only hope of escape is a key, but the station chief's body is nowhere to be found. Their last resort is to search the other side of a high-temperature tunnel. The general takes on the mission, calculating that 10 minutes is the human limit in the 200-degree-C heat. When the time limit passes and the general doesn't return, Anna rushes into the tunnel without a protective suit. She finds the general collapsed. She tries to drag him back, but the searing heat is too much. She is forced to watch him take his last breath. Though the general found the key, a new threat emerges. Beard, one of their own, has mutinied. Armed with a gun, Beard demands the key from Anna. He intends to take the fungus to the surface to claim fame in the scientific world. He forces the wounded engineer to scout ahead, but Anna takes his place out of pity. In the elevator, Anna spots a handgun, but the lecherous Beard catches her before she can grab it.